See how beautiful it is? Wow. This is what is called Christmas, man. This is Christmas in Japan. This is how Japan prepare for Christmas. Wow, what a golden city, man. Golden city. You're looking for paradise. Japan is like a paradise on earth, man. Take a look at the buildings, how the buildings even look like. Even the buildings, you know, produce illumination at night. But look at what they see what they did. What the hell is this? Oh my God, this is too tall, so tall. Oh, Japan spend money on Christmas, man. What the hell? Okay, we'll come back here later, man. I go check out another place. You see, for those of you who want to know what Japan is all about or what Japan looks like, you can see some big, huge buildings. These are the type of buildings you will see in Japan. Okay. These people look very small, but they will build big things for you. They will build big things for you. You know. What a paradise. This is like the heaven they preach in your various churches. They said it's like a golden city. Is Japan not a golden city? Let's take a look at the road. I want to show you something. Look at the road of Japan. See what it looks like. You know, this is just a straight road, very small, to the station. Yeah, they have some big roads, man, when you get to the expressway. Someday, soon, I will show you that. How you see some flying bridges even close to the sky, man, you know, closer to the sky. That's what you see in Japan. That's the elevator to the high building going up. If some people visit Japan for the first time, the only thing you're gonna hear is, oh my God, because you will never believe what you see right from the airport. You know, it's from the airport you feel the joy of this country. You feel the joy of being here, man, you know. See all the road is tired. You know? When I think about this country, you see some building is just gonna be like, oh, they just brought that building and dump it on the floor. Boom. You know. So, you're watching this Shinjuku station. This is not yet Yokohama. This is not yet Chiba. If I take you to some places like Yokohama or Chiba, you know, you're gonna be shocked. This is just Shinjuku. Okay? Someday very soon I will show you the view of Yokohama. I see some beautiful places. You know. Very soon I'll take you to Disneyland, man. You go see some things in Disneyland. Very soon I'll take you to Enoshima Beach, so you go and see what Enoshima looks like, you know. Oh yeah. Don't you like what you see about Japan? You tell me if this is not a blessed country. Wow. What a country this is, you know? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna switch off the camera now because I'm gonna go find another beautiful spot to show you. This place is good for taking a walk around in the daytime, man. I just love this place. Okay, man, catch y'all later. See you, man.